guys, my name is Michael and welcome to a new GTK tutorial. Today we are going to move on with our GMenu and we are going to learn 3 new functions. The first function which I'm going to introduce you, it is called GMenu remove. It says removes an item from the menu, so the position given the index of the item to remove. So if it is an error, if position is not in the range, the error from 0 to 1 less than number of the items in the menu. Okay, so in other words, we copy this one right here, and I'm going to do it here. And now we need the menu. I'm going to say in the file menu. Oh no, you know what? In the sub menu, we have 2 items, save and save as. I want to remove the save as, which is at the position 1. Let me see. Save, and we have only save as is gone, as you can see. Let me comment it now, and the save as should be back there, and as you can see, works fine. Good. The next function which I want to introduce you, it is called GMenu remove all, which means removes all items, not just the menu itself. So not just an item. So GMenu remove all. So let us remove everything from submenu this time. As you can see, the submenu has no items anymore, and of course if we switch that to file menu, if we try to apply it on the file menu itself, then you destroyed everything, you removed everything. So basically this is how it's working. Okay, I'm going to comment it because I don't want to let it removed. And the next function which I want to introduce you, it is a very important function for you guys. It is called GMenu item new from model. What means this? This means that you can, if you have already a model, you create a model and you have an item which is already created, and that item you want to have it also in another part, then you can make a copy. So basically it says creates a menu item as an exact copy of an existing menu item in a GMenu. So index must be of course a valid one, not something which you decide to choose. So we need a GMenu and we need an item. Okay, now that being said, when you call this function, basically you want to create a copy. So let us create a copy. GMenu item, and then we point it to this function. Our GMenu model should be the submenu, and of course the next thing which we need, the index. So we do have 2, 0 and 1, so let us make a copy of the index 1, which is the save as. Now because we have it, GMenu append item should be called, and the first one will be in the file menu we are going to put the item. So if everything looks fine, it should be at the end of the file menu. Let me see. File, save as. You see, we have it right here because we decide to put it here. The action save as, the same like the action save as, and everything looks good and works fine. So basically this is how you handle the GMenu item new from model, by taking its item, making a copy of it and put it inside the new item. And once that you have the new item, then basically you can let me unwrap the item, which is very important. So basically you have a copy of it and you can put it somewhere in another menu if you want to. That being said, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, please subscribe, share with your friends and neighbors, and until next time, see you guys.